Adapt your environment, adapt your life. Heroes aren't built on willpower alone. They're built on environments that make the right choices easier and the wrong ones harder. In week 3 of Mind Over Munchies, we've tackled the A in CHAMP, adapt to sustainable environments. And today, we're going deep into how you can transform your surroundings into your hero HQ, so your environment fuels progress, not cravings. Quick note, hero, I'm not a doctor. These missions are for education and motivation, not medical treatment. I also use powerful tools, including AI, to help create this content, but the vision and guidance come from me, your challenge commander. Always check with a health professional before making changes. Why environment beats willpower? Willpower fades, but environments shape automatic behavior. Research shows that people eat 30% more when snacks are visible. Heroes don't fight cravings in a booby-trapped environment. They design their HQ to make the healthy path the easy path. Example, if cookies are on the counter, you'll reach for them. If fruit is there instead, you'll grab that. Superhero analogy, your environment is your sidekick. If it's strong, it supports you. If it's weak, it sabotages your mission. Mission recap, environment swaps, 5 missions this week. Day 15, Pantry Makeover. Remove kryptonite snacks from the front lines. Keep them out of sight or replace them with hero-friendly swaps. Example, swap chips for air-popped popcorn, soda for sparkling water. Analogy, don't keep villains in your HQ, lock them in the dungeon. Day 16, Hero Snack Station. Create one spot in your kitchen for ready-to-go healthy snacks. Examples, cut veggies, fruit, nuts, yogurt. Why? When hunger strikes, decision fatigue leads to bad choices. Prepared heroes win. Analogy, your utility belt needs to be stocked before the battle begins. Day 17, Desk Fuel. Keep water or a healthy snack at your workstation. Prevents vending machine trips or energy crashes. Analogy, every hero keeps supplies in their HQ where the action happens. Day 18, out of sight, out of mind. Put craving triggers out of reach or out of sight. Example, cookies in the garage freezer, candy in opaque containers. Visibility increases consumption, even when you're not hungry. Analogy, heroes don't leave kryptonite lying around. Day 19, social shields. Surround yourself with allies who respect your goals. Share your missions with friends or family so they support, not sabotage. Example, I'm swapping soda for sparkling water. Join me for the week. Analogy, every hero squad is stronger with support. Day 20, Hero Reset Zone. Design a calm space to reset stress without food. Could be a chair, journal spot, meditation corner, or outdoor walk path. Analogy, even superheroes need a fortress of solitude. Day 21 today, review and reflect. You've now built a fortress, pantry, snack station, desk fuel, social allies, reset zone. Together, they change the rules of the game. You don't have to resist cravings constantly. Your HQ does the work for you. The psychology of environmental design. Humans are cued by their surroundings. If the cue is food, you crave food. Change the cue, then change the behavior. Example, water bottle on your desk, then drink more water. Example, fruit bowl on counter, then eat more fruit. Heroes use cues to trigger identity-based actions. I'm the kind of person who fuels wisely. Progress, not perfection. Your environment won't be perfect. That's okay. One drawer of candy doesn't erase your HQ. Aim for direction, not perfection. Each small change tilts the odds in your favor. Heroes don't need flawless environments, just better ones than yesterday. Your mission today. Choose one environmental shift that had the biggest impact this week. Write it down. Then choose one more you can add in the coming week. Examples, add a hero snack station to your fridge. Move the soda from the fridge to the garage. Set up a 5-minute reset space in your living room. Remember, it's not about flipping your whole life overnight. It's about steady upgrades that stick. You've completed 3 full weeks of the Mind Over Munchies challenge, 21 missions completed. That's heroic. By now, you've shifted your thinking, built healthy habits, and adapted your HQ. You're no longer fighting cravings unarmed. You've got systems, shields, and strategies. Next week, we'll unlock the M in Champ Master Key skills, powerful tools like mindful eating, the HALT radar, and emotional resilience. These skills will take you from surviving cravings to mastering them. Subscribe here on YouTube to continue into week 4. Join the Hero HQ on Facebook to share your environment wins.